Yeah, you know, I've been around for a while now. Not sure if I have much left to prove. Yeah, I do.
I look at me now, I'm thinking, damn, how proud of me I am. What I did is nothing to sneeze at, even if your allergies are bad. I'm up in the balcony in France. I look around, I see the fans, how they surround me in the stands. Probably could drown in the sea of hands. They're hollering shady, yelling it out to me, and that's what I mean when I say that one day, some way, somehow, if I get the chance to get a crowd, I flip it around and have a crowd give me the chance. I've done it all, man, but in actuality, I haven't yet.
Ain't nothing, homie, I'm on the loose. On the winner, damn, it's so hard to lose. I can't do it even when I'm trying to. With my record flop, still go through the roof. This atmosphere is for a chosen few who was on their grind, making money moves. And you ain't gon' get there if you want it down. You gotta take shots with 100 proof.
Been in survival mode since a 5-year-old. It was I alone since my trike was stole spiral, notebook and microphone. But looking back how bad it was then, if it hadn't have been for the pad of the pen addict, mom and dad beat dad, I wouldn't have had the savage within. Having to win every single battle I'm in. Got no time for no haters in this bitch, or toleration for the shit, but like medication, my dedication and the time it takes to do this shit reminds me of how an overcrowded hospital waiting room will get. What I mean is maybe I have more patience than I'm able to admit. Yeah, but I'm still mentally stable. There's a 3-legged table in this bitch. Fame's a switch, but I was grateful to trade this shit for the trailer with a hitch that would make me a raving lunatic. But I made it through my situation. I hit pay dirt, now I get paper like a stapler in this bitch. But just cause I made a little bit of change don't mean I've changed a little bit. Brain full of wit, dangerous, can't distinguish this English language when it's lit. And I'm just berating you with it. It's shady till I'm 80. Till I spit this crazy, even Drake knows I'm a blow. Better get the handkerchief again. All I ever wanted was to be an MC. Tediously I wrote obediently, believing in me. EPMD must have had teaching degrees. Learned to defeat enemies with the ink. Thinking of these rhymes would be as easy as E. And graffiti would be like remedial reading to me. To my last breath, these my lungs. I'ma beat my drum for the streets I'm from. The east side slums, gotta remind them. I take a folk out like feet by bum. You see my finger, you see my thumb. You see my fist fall, it's like I'm here for the smoke, but it's not the weed I want. With the speed I brung, for the beat I come. But you better bring it if you wanna reply from. Cause for you to be lyrically inclined, it'll be a steep climb up. That'll be an uphill battle, but I'm up like your feet in a recliner. And I think I'm about to go out on a limb like a tree climber. Time to push my ceiling higher, cause